So, hello everyone once again. We're going to continue with integration. So, I hope you saw my previous videos. All right. Now, we're going to look at integration by partial fractions. Integration by partial fraction. Now, I will recommend that your knowledge of partial fractions be up to date because we are going to need it in this integration by partial fractions. All right, so let's swing into action without wasting much of our time. Now let's look at this example. Let's solve this example. Let's find the integral of 7x plus 8 over 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. All right, so dx. So how do we integrate this? This is simple. Now let's bring out the expression inside the integral first. Let's bring them out and we'll resolve it to partial fraction. All right, so we have 7x plus 8 over 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. So that's the expression we have inside the integral. Now let's try and resolve this into partial fraction. Now the first thing to do is to factorize the denominator. The denominator, we have 7x plus 8 over, now how can we factorize this? This is 10x squared. So we have 2x squared plus 10x plus x, isn't it? Plus 5. All right, we factorize this. So we have 7x plus 8 over, so when we factorize this, we have what's common here between this guy and this guy. We have 2x. Then what's left here? X plus 5 plus 1 with x plus 5. All right. So finally, we have 7x plus 8 over 2x plus 1 and x plus 5. Now, we've successfully factorized the denominator. Now let's resolve it into partial fraction. So how do we write this form of partial fraction? Which means this is a, this is linear. This is a over 2x plus 1 plus b over x plus 5. Each of the denominator, right? First one 2x plus 1, second x plus 5. So we have this. So to solve for a, we just equate its denominator to 0. So 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So 2x equals to minus 1, and x equals to minus 1 over 2. So we substitute minus 1 over 2 into all the x. So we have 7x plus 8 equals to a into, we'll find the LCM, x plus 5, and b into 2x plus 1. All right. So this is the form we will give you. So let's start with the first one. When x equals to minus 1, so we substitute x inside this. So we have 7 into minus 1 over 2 plus 8 equals to a minus 1 over 2 plus 5 plus b into 2 to minus 1 over 2 plus 1. All right. So 7 times this, we're going to have minus 7 over 2 plus 8, which is equal to a, what is minus 1 over 2 plus 5? We have 9 over 2. 9 over 2, all right, plus this will give minus 1. Then minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So this one will go to 0. So we don't need to write it again. 0. So what's minus 7 over 2 plus 8? Minus 7 over 2 plus 8, we're going to have 9 over 2. 9 over 2 equals to a 9 over 2. So a is 1. All right. Now for b, to solve for b, we equate its denominator to 0 to solve for b. So we have x plus, just right to solve for b. So x plus 5 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 5. All right, so we'll go back to this again and equate x equals to minus 5. So we have 7 into minus 5 plus 8 equals to a into minus 5 plus 5 plus b into 2 minus 5 plus 1. All right, so we have 7. This is minus 35 plus 8 equals to, this will go to 0, Abby. Minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So we have b left here into 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 1, that's minus 9. So we have minus 35 plus 8. We have minus 27 equals to b minus 9b. So this minus will cancel as minus. So b equals to 27 over 9. So that's 3. So now let's go back to our statement. Remember this statement, this one, when we're writing a partial fraction format. So we've gotten a, we've gotten our value of b. So we can put it there. So it is now, so 7x plus 8 over 2x squared plus 11x plus 5 is something as well. So what's the value of a? 1 over 2x plus 1 plus b is 3 over x plus 5. So we can integrate now. So the integral of this now is what? The integral of each of these, dx, all right, dx. Now we've been able to make it simpler now. All right, so we can integrate each of these. So now don't forget, in our previous my previous class I showed you how to integrate this. All right, so this is the form of 1 over x, and integration of 1 over x is in hex. You understand? In hex. So the integration of this will be what? Ln 2x plus 1, all right, over, when you differentiate this, you have 2 over 2. Do you understand? All right, then plus this one, 3 will come out. We have 3 here. Then integration of this will be in x plus 5, all right, then plus c. So the final answer will be, so you can write this as in 2x plus 1 over 2 plus 3 ln x plus 5 plus c. So that's the final answer. Thank you very much.